top 6 most expensive resorts. Number 6. Atlantis Paradise. Atlantis Paradise has been built in tribute to the lost city, so you should be careful before you pay because you may be lost in its level of luxury. At the 23rd floor, there is the Royal Towers Bridge Suite pulling out all swanky stops. Number 5. The Plaza. If you are willing to view Manhattan the best way, then you should consider checking into the Plaza located in New York. For those who love formal dining rooms, some books to read or playing piano, please don't think twice to pay a visit to the Plaza. They have many branches and no matter which one you choose, you can lose. It is considered to be one of the greatest resorts ever. Number 4. Burj Al Arab. Just like they say America is the land of opportunities, Dubai can be considered as the land of vacation since there are a number of hotels and resorts, and Burj Al Arab is also one of them. And when it comes to luxury, you will feel the owners have left no stone unturned to serve their guests. Number 3. The Palms. If you have heard about Hugh Hefner's Sky Villa, then you should also know about the Las Vegas Palms. This resort is famous for a massive rooftop bathtub hanging over the strip. And even if you are looking for a get-together, then you can bring up to 250 men. Number 2. The Boulders. You may be surprised to know, but checking in at the Boulders is just like entering a boulder. Didn't understand? Actually, the Boulders is a reputable golf and spa resort, where the beauty is handed over to Mother Nature. Unlike the Emirates Palace, the Boulders has 2 golf grounds, reasoned world class, so you can help driving your cart in those meadows if you are a great fan of golf. Number 1. The Emirates Palace. Christmas is knocking at the door and you are having a hard time going through the descriptions of resorts available at your destination. Most of the minds have the word budget lurking around, but there are many who love to spend, both days and dollars, in most expensive resorts.